Spring cleaning is more than just removing clutter. It's a chance to rejuvenate your living space. It's about refreshing your home and setting a positive tone for the upcoming season. A clean home can bring a sense of renewal and energy. A thorough spring clean can improve indoor air quality, reduce allergens, and make your home feel more inviting. By removing dust, pet dander, and other irritants, you create a more enjoyable living space for everyone. You're not just cleaning, you're creating a healthier environment for yourself and your loved ones. A clean home is a happy home. In this video, we'll explore common spring cleaning mistakes that many people make and how to avoid them, ensuring your efforts are effective and efficient. By the end, your home will be sparkling clean and ready for the season ahead. But before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to join our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Now let's get started on this journey to a fresher, cleaner home. The first mistake is focusing only on visible areas. True cleanliness lies in the details. Baseboards, window tracks, and light fixtures often collect dust and grime. Cleaning these often neglected areas may seem tedious, but imagine the satisfaction of knowing your entire home is truly clean. It's about creating a space that promotes well-being. So, as you embark on your spring cleaning journey, embrace these often forgotten spots. You'll be rewarded with a home that truly sparkles with joy. The second mistake many people make is reaching for harsh chemical cleaners without considering the consequences. While they promise quick and easy results, they often come at a significant cost to both your health and your home. Harsh chemicals can damage surfaces, leaving unsightly stains and even causing long-term deterioration. Additionally, they release harmful fumes that can irritate your respiratory system. Thankfully, there are gentler, more natural alternatives that can be just as effective, if not more so. Common household items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice are great natural cleaning solutions that can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks. By opting for natural cleaners, you not only create a healthier environment for your family, but also reduce your impact on the planet. It's a win-win situation. It's about finding harmony between maintaining a clean home and ensuring a healthy planet for future generations. The third mistake is neglecting our cleaning tools. Dirty tools can spread dirt and bacteria. Imagine using a vacuum with an overflowing dustbin or a sponge that's a breeding ground for bacteria. Regularly clean and maintain your cleaning tools to ensure their effectiveness. Wash cleaning cloths, disinfect sponges, and empty vacuum cleaner bags or canisters regularly. By taking care of our cleaning tools, we ensure a more hygienic cleaning process. It's a small act of mindfulness that makes a big difference. The fourth mistake is cleaning without a strategy. Cleaning from top to bottom is more effective. Start with ceiling fans, light fixtures, and cobwebs in corners. Dust and debris will fall to the floor, where they can be easily swept or vacuumed up. This method ensures you're not re-cleaning surfaces and captures dirt at its source. It's about creating a flow to your cleaning process, bringing efficiency and peace of mind. By working systematically, we achieve a deeper sense of cleanliness. The fifth mistake is cleaning around clutter. When you try to clean without decluttering first, you end up moving things from one place to another without really making progress. Declutter first to make cleaning easier. Start by sorting through your belongings and deciding what you truly need and love. Go through each room, item by item, and ask, do I really need to keep this? This method helps you keep only what adds value to your life. If not, let it go. Release items that no longer serve a purpose or bring happiness. Donate items in good condition, recycle what you can, and discard the rest. This not only helps you but also benefits others and the environment. Decluttering creates spaciousness and makes cleaning faster and more efficient. With fewer items to manage, you can clean more thoroughly and quickly. A tidy home is about creating a space that brings joy, peace, and a sense of lightness. It transforms your living environment into a sanctuary. By decluttering first, we set the stage for a more mindful and effective cleaning experience. This approach not only improves the physical space, but also enhances your mental well-being. Spring cleaning is a wonderful opportunity to create a fresh start for the season ahead. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make your cleaning efforts more effective and enjoyable. Establish good cleaning habits to maintain a fresh and healthy home throughout the year. Invest in high-quality cleaning tools and natural solutions to make cleaning easier and more effective. Happy cleaning, and may your home be filled with joy and tranquility this spring. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite hack. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.